While I've talked a lot about what I carry daily in our sling videos, you might need something a little different when you go on a trip. After all, you're likely to bring different things when exploring a new country than commuting to the office. From fun on the beach to nighttime safety, these are some essentials we think you should bring when you leave the hotel. Starting with a tool that does more than just see into dark corners. A small flashlight is an essential if you're exploring at night, and that's especially true if it's a Prometheus light. Their tiny 3-inch size packs a punch of brightness, and the Preon P1 MKIII does more than just help you find the hotel outlet hidden behind the couch. Its different modes shine from 1 to 150 lumens and up to 115 feet, letting you do everything from read the menu in a dark restaurant to light up your way home in an electric scooter if you clip it to your hat. It also comes in handy to brighten your room or find your way around if there ends up being a power outage. Easily navigate to a new bar or restaurant along an unfamiliar street as it keeps your phone free for the Maps app, and get a little more light to take photos in dark spaces. The Preon also includes Prometheus Light's preset configurations, which include modes like strobe, beacon, SOS, and more. Just one rechargeable AAA battery powers the light up to 45 hours depending on your setting, and you can order it with a USB charger and 2 extra rechargeable batteries. Or just replace them on your own when it runs out. Just keep in mind that alkaline batteries are not recommended because they can damage the light over time. If you love drinking from Owala water bottles but aren't a fan of the aesthetic, check out the Twist. Depending on the look you choose, it has a more grown-up look to match your everyday carry. Yet you still get all the benefits of a regular Owala. The spout has 2 holes next to one another. A smaller one that connects to a straw and a larger one open to the rest of the bottle. You can reach over and take a sip without tipping it for a more sophisticated vibe, or you can tip it up to get the liquid out of both spouts when you need a larger drink, like after your post-workout run. The 18-ounce FreeSip Twist is more slender than the original, so it's easy to slide into tight bottle pockets if that's all your day pack offers. We also like securing it to a pack with a carabiner since the cap includes a corded handle. This one does away with the original unique plastic handle and locking mechanism in favor of a traditional twist-off cap. But if you don't mind slightly slower access to your hydration, we think the slimmer form is worth it. If 18 ounces isn't enough, it also comes in a 24-ounce capacity. Whatever size you choose, just be aware that Owala bottles tend to be a little bit bigger than others, probably for that nifty spout. Your bottle will fit nicely into the REI Commuter pack, and its compression straps lock it in place. Those also turn into the perfect top-loading bag for the plane. The straps stop the zipper from opening the bag fully, so you can reach inside and grab what you need without the contents spilling everywhere. However, when you're packing, you can undo the compression straps and open the bag fully clamshell, making it easy to pack with your lunch, entertainment, and extra layers. Plus, it has a pocket to hold up to a 13-inch laptop that you can convert to a hydration sleeve when you want to hike on a vacation. There's a pass-through to the back panel and loops on the straps for a tube to keep it in reach, and you can cinch the 25-liter bag smaller when you carry less. A front pocket has a flap secured with a hook and loop fastener. We pack gloves and a hat inside to prepare for changing temperatures and use the top pocket for a phone and wallet. It's adjacent to a mesh pocket inside the bag where you'll find a key leash and can stash other small essentials like lip balm and a snack bar. Whether biking around town or on a hiking trail, it is lightweight and easy on the shoulders. The straps don't have the most padding, yet are still comfortable with breathable mesh to keep things airy. There's a sternum strap if you need extra support, and the buckle includes a safety whistle if you find yourself in a sketchy situation. Be sure to connect a bike light to the reflective strip at the front for more visibility while you're cycling.
Let's talk about this video's sponsor, MKIII. They save you time and money by tracking down your data online and removing it so it stays safe. I rarely think twice about entering my personal information to snag a deal or a travel reward, but nearly every company wants a name, email, and phone number. You may not know they've turned around and sold your information to data brokers who sell it again until you're dealing with scammy texts and emails at home or on a trip. Over the past few months, MKIII found my information on 148 sites and has gotten it taken off of 105. It would take me so long to do that myself. They keep working as long as you have the service, handling any objections, keeping you posted on their progress, and following up when brokers inevitably get a hold of your information again. Watching that number tick up as the months go on has been really satisfying. You can save 60% off an annual plan with code PACKHACKER when you sign up for MKIII at the link in the description below. Then, get back to snagging travel deals without worrying about the safety of your information. Now, let's get back to it.
If streaming music and running the Maps app drains energy during the day, then you'll need a way to recharge. We're amazed at how much power we can get from this NITECORE battery bank. And no, we're not talking about this little guy. The NB20000 is smaller and lighter than other 20,000 milliamp battery banks we've tested from other brands. And you can even pop it in your pocket to recharge your phone, GoPro, and some flashlights on the go. We recommend putting it in a sling though because the corners are a little pokey. It has 2 USB-A outputs, 1 USB-C input, and 1 USB-C input output. That's 45 watts for powering small laptops or tablets, and is fast charging compatible at 30 watts. With this thing, you'll be prepared whether you're backcountry camping, traveling somewhere that experiences power outages, or just can't find a plug at a local cafe. Plus, it has a low current mode to recharge Bluetooth headphones and smartwatches. We checked it out with a multimeter and a load tester and found its energy output close to NITECORE's specs. And since it's IPX5 rated water resistant and made with durable carbon fiber, it'll withstand drops, abrasions, and other bumps you'll encounter along the way. The best wallet for everyday carry walks the line between holding what you need and fitting nicely inside of your pocket. But we also want one that protects our data from digital thieves. That's why we're using this slim wallet from MVST. It's made with premium Alcantara and vegan Napa leather to balance form and function. The leather on the front is super soft and comes in different colors, so you can get your favorite or choose one that best matches your bag. There's a thin strap holding everything together, and it opens like a book when you unsnap it. The front flap has slots for easy access to your favorite 2 cards and a transparent slot for your ID on the reverse side. There are 3 more sleeves for cards in the back. Behind that, the wallet opens like an envelope to hold cash, though you'll have to fold it. We like that this wallet is slim and flexible, yet the RFID blocking material is a bit crinkly, so you won't be able to pull out a card, slip it to the server, and pay without your friends knowing. If your pants lack pockets, that wallet fits just about anywhere in the Fjallraven Kanken hip pack. It's a great way to carry the essentials, whether running to the store or exploring a new town. With a boxy shape and durable Vinylon F fabric, the sling is very on brand for Fjallraven, even before we mention the foxy Kanken logo on the front. Whether your closet is overflowing with love for Kankens or not, it's likely you're gonna dig this bag's organization. A fabric welt protects the front pocket, so it's in a good place for delicate gear you don't want getting wet, like a battery bank. There's a slim pocket on the back for your passport or that minimalist wallet, though it's not quite big enough for both. Inside, there's plenty of space for everything else, from sunglasses to sanitizer, your phone, tissues, and keys, which you can clip to the short leash on the back. A divider pocket keeps the gear you need most often handy, so that's where we're slipping our phone. And it has an old school label on the front where you can write your contact info to reconnect with the pack if you leave it behind. A durable webbing small carry handle is at the top, and the strap is the same material. It's not the softest, though it's not scratchy or uncomfortable, and there's a keeper to contain any extra fabric when you cinch it tight. While it's designed to go around your waist, we prefer wearing it crossbody because we think it sticks out a bit much for a belt bag. A packable hat is a must for any trip. It's good for exploring in the hot sun or hanging out by the pool all day. We're digging Getaway's updated Packlight hat for its style and materials. For starters, while it's crushable for easy packing, its pre-curved brim is less flat and floppy than other packable hats, so it looks sportier when wearing it. The Ultrasuede material is super soft and treated with a durable water repellent outside and anti-odor inside to protect you from rain and sweat. It has an absorbent headband inside for when things heat up, and it's easy to find the right fit. Simply tighten or loosen the strap with the adjustable buckle on the back. It even has a bit of elastic for some give without digging in. Plus, stretchy material helps the hat fit nicely over thicker hair or larger heads, so you feel and look your best throughout the day. Oh, and did we mention that it floats? That way you can dive in after it if Mother Nature blows it into the ocean. No matter what you're packing, whether it's a small sling or a larger travel backpack, it can likely use a little bit of extra organization. That's what these long weekend everyday zip pouches are for. Whether you fill them with tech, toiletries, or art supplies, we think they're handy for daily use and on a trip. The smallest is perfect for accessories like cords, headphones, dongles, and SD cards, while the largest could be your toiletry bag if you pair it with a 3-in-1 pouch for liquids. We've also used it to hold card games and notepads for fun and entertainment at the rental house or by the pool, as well as adapters, battery banks, and wall chargers for on-the-go recharging. Each one comes with a carabiner on one side and a loop on the other, allowing you to hook them inside a bigger bag or outside your gear. Then you can move your photo gear from your day pack to your travel backpack, or keep all that sunscreen together for the beach. They open with a YKK zipper and include weatherproof fabrics that are pretty easy to wipe clean if there's a spill, though they can't go into the washing machine. If you're cruising or heading to a beach resort, you should check out this bag from bitplay. The AquaSeal Sacoche is a bag that can take quite a few splashes. The 350D Cordura material is durable and water repellent. It also has a water-resistant zipper, so your wallet, passport, and cash stay dry from splashes. If the bag does get wet, there's a little drainage hole at the bottom to help things dry out. It has 2 large slip pockets inside for a bit of organization and a thin removable crossbody strap so you can wear it as a sling. We like that the strap is a little fuzzy on the underside to add carry comfort on bare skin, if you're at the beach or wearing a tank top. However, the really unique thing about this bag is the IPX7 waterproof pouch in the front. It's perfect for taking your phone in the ocean to get a great shot of the coral or underwater wildlife while snorkeling. It hooks with fidlock buttons to the front of the sling and has a little leash that you can clip to the bag for extra security if it gets bumped the wrong way. The waterproof zipper is a little stiff, but we think that it's worth it to keep your gear dry, and the plastic loop zipper pull is easier to grasp when you have to yank it. Because it's clear TPU on both sides, you can use your phone in this case so you don't have to get it sandy or covered in sunscreen to take a fun pic. Photos come out as clear as they would inside of your pouch too, as long as you don't get fingerprints on the bag. So whether you're heading out on a vacation or working remotely, this gear is going to pave the way to an excellent trip. And if you need more inspiration, be sure to check out our previous EDC videos right up here. We'll see you in the next video.